That's hard. I know that's hard. Especially with a ball like that.
Yeah, it's not even round or anything.
Get your tiger vision in.
Give it to Scott. There you go.
Give it to me.
Alright, sit down and spread your legs open. Okay.
Did I really just walk in here and hear this?
You ready? Eye
Yes.
on the ball. Okay, catch it, okay?
There you
Put it in my cup.
Well, you gotta move the hat.
No, he wants you to toss it in the hat. You can do
I
it.
know, but.
He wants to catch it, see?
Well, don't move the hat. Alright, here we go, you ready?
You gotta make it in. Yeah, we're gonna make
Oh,
it.
you keep on coming
We're gonna make
closer.
We're gonna make it.
Hey, oh.
Oh, God. Oh.
Okay.
Hey, the
What is
biggest
that?
box. Are you wanting one of those? The biggest box is like ham and cheese.
Yay!
Hey.
Alright, Asher, don't move the hat. Don't move the hat.
Except Scott Sugar put the microwave back on the counters.
Take the
Don't move.
eye
You guys keep it
on the
still.
ball.
Do not move the
You
hat.
Keep the ball on the ball.
Ball of the ball.
Keep your eyes on the ball. Okay?
Can you say that, Asher? Keep your eyes on the ball.
Okay.
Okay.